What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to double tap that bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Back with another vlog, guys. I'm super excited to be showing you what's in my bag. You guys, I made a video similar to this like 3 years ago, and it was my Saint Laurent bag, and I was like, oh, this would be fun to make an updated what's in my bag. I just love watching what's in other girls' bags. Like, not to be a nosy little Nancy girl, but I just love to watch those videos. I just wonder, like, what do women keep in their purses, in their bags day to day? Their work bags, their travel bags, their everyday bags that, you know, I love. Guys, I'm going to be showing you what's in my Hermes Kelly Box Leather 32 bag today. And this is my kind of everyday bag, running errands, running around, travel bag. I keep everything in my little baby. I love this bag so much. So I'm going to be showing you everything that I carry in my Hermes Kelly. So stay tuned. Guys, so the first thing is this Aesop lip balm. It's something that I got in a kit. It's like a little lip balm. Like if my lips are super dry, I just carry this around. The next thing is my regular lip gloss. This is my everyday Bath and Body Works. They have the 3 for, I think it's buy 3 get 1 free lip shine. This is the lip gloss I always use. I get it from Bath and Body Works. It's my everyday, literally essential lip gloss I have to use. The next thing I have in my bag is my Chanel Mademoiselle. This is my signature scent, my go-to scent. I love Mademoiselle. It's like when I walk past, people be like, yes, what scent is this? I'm like, this is my signature scent. It's Mademoiselle. Okay, guys, so the next thing I have is my Chanel hand cream that I use. I love this hand cream. You know, if your hands are super dry, I would definitely suggest getting this. It actually lasts a long time, and nobody really talks about how long it truly lasts, but I definitely love this Chanel. Guys, and the next thing I'm going to show you is my Hermes cuticle oil. I am not a big nail girl, so I get like manicures, and I just need that cuticle oil to get me right every time. I love the one from Hermes. It smells really good to me, but yeah, I'm a manicure girl, and I just need my cuticle oil just to, you know, make sure my hands, my cuticles are not too dry. All right, guys, and the next thing that we have is my Hermes scent, Ballerine. I love this. This is my new fragrance I just tried. It smells really good. It smells amazing. I don't know why I have 2 perfumes, but I just got this one, so I'm like, let me just do a 1-2 spray, make sure I smell really good. All right, guys, and the next thing I have is my Apple battery pack, you know, for when your phone goes dead, you know, you got to charge your phone quickly. So I'm like, let me carry this battery pack. All right, guys, and the next thing I have is my Chanel compact mirror that I absolutely love. You never can go wrong with this. I think every girl has this, honestly, like in their bag. Every time I see a what's in my bag, I'm always seeing somebody carry a compact Chanel mirror. Okay, guys, and the next thing I have is some hand sanitizer. Everybody knows this hand sanitizer. You can get it from Target and Sephora. Like, you can't go wrong with Touchland at all. So this is my little hand sanitizer. Oh, and it has a good smell. This smell is the Glow Mist, but I don't know, they have different smells, so definitely got to keep my hand sanitizer on deck at all times. The next thing I have is like my house keys, nothing important. And I have my Hermes new card holder that I got. I'm obsessed. It's, you know, you need a card holder, so this is my card holder. All right, guys, and the next thing I have is my iPhone. You never can go wrong with your iPhone. I always carry my phone around. I need it, and I do like the Octobuddy, so you can just, you know, put it up on the wall and start vlogging or start talking or start doing whatever. I definitely love this Octa Buddy. It's like literally my favorite. Guys, and something that I don't usually carry but I carry sometimes that's in my Hermes Kelly is my Hermes journal. I do like to journal, so this is more of a travel bag for me. Also in my day-to-day bag, I do like to journal. This is a new journal I just recently have. Haven't journaled yet, so I will definitely show you guys inside. You probably can't see, but this is Togo leather. It says Hermes Paris, made in France, and it definitely can fit in my Hermes Kelly. As you can see, it has plenty of room and space in here to fit in my Hermes Kelly. And yeah guys, that is all that I have in my Hermes Kelly that can fit in my bag, and I'm pretty sure more can fit in that. I'm not trying to stuff my bag, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little what's in my bag. Let me know some essentials that you use day to day in your bag that I may need to add to my bag. So I hope you all enjoyed this little short little what's in my bag. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you loves in my next video. Bye guys.